I don't want to do it no more. You spraying all over my face. I don't want to. Why you got your coochie on my arm?
1, 2.
No, don't snatch it off. I'm about to let my little sis do my wig.
As y'all can see, I already did the wig fly line. Yeah, so we're just gonna put this bad boy on her.
It feels silky too. So yes, child, we're just gonna hope that this comes out good or whatever. I'm tired. You tired? Or you? Oh, okay. At least you're not tired. All right, so we finna get started. You gonna braid my hair down, or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can braid one.
What? It's hard to part?
No, it's the easiest part.
Oh. You got a ponytail holder?
Yeah.
Cause I forgot to I took one out my hair and I don't know where I put it in. Give me that sweat. Come on. Wait, why you? What you parting over there for? All you gotta do is part straight back, like this. Keep that part going and just go straight down. Girl, we're probably gonna be here all night. Dang, you got some heavy hands. You got heavy hands just like your mom.
No.
Give me this sweat, come on. Y'all, she was teaching me how to do some TikTok dances earlier and it was so funny. Like, I can't dance. Huh? When you started knowing how to braid?
Really? When you taught me how to braid?
Yeah, but I thought I taught you just how to like plait.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know you know how to scalp braid. I ain't got no wig cap, so I hope it come out cute. I don't know. Yeah, it's alright. You gotta feel like you got a little loose back there.
Can we start over?
Cause I ain't trying to be here all night.
Eventually.
Okay, so.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's like 3 on this side and 2 on this side. Crazy looking as hell, but it's done. You know what you gotta do next? You gotta push my edges back.
Should I use the mousse or the got to be glue?
You can put the mousse though, cause I don't want to have to wash my hair again. I hope it hold good enough.
Oh my god.
It should. My bitch bad and she killing it. Yeah, exactly. I was gonna tell you to do that. That mousse gets sticky too.
I know.
Do it feel like it's laying down?
Look like it's gonna just pop right back up.
Okay, well just use a little bit of that gel. You don't want to use too much. It's gonna take too long to dry. It's cold too.
Oh my hand.
What?
Work better.
Give me that swag. Come on. What?
About the cap.
Huh?
How is it supposed to stick on without the cap?
The wig?
Yeah.
You gonna put the spray on my head and then the wig will stick. What? The cap is only to protect your edges and it makes it look.
Oh, sticky.
It makes it look more natural. But you could do it without the. What you spraying for?
So I can put the wig on.
Yeah, that bitch sticky. Hell yeah. You gonna start at the top? Mark, it's gonna drip down. You gotta catch it. I know you see it.
I know.
Bro, I'm about to stop because I knew you was gonna play. I don't want to do it no more. You spraying all over my face. I don't want to. Which part of the wig you gonna lay down first? The top or the side?
I'm doing the top.
So you probably gonna have to spray it again because it done already dry. You can't let it dry all the way. You gotta let it get sticky. Oh, you should have watched the video first.
Alright.
Make sure you touch it so you know it's not drying all the way. When it gets sticky, that's when you gotta lay the wig on. You gotta use the comb to kind of press it in. But you didn't use enough spray. I'm gonna spray it again. Want you my game? Money fight. JTI. You have to spray more. I'm trying to take the easy way out. Thirsty as hell, still eating these chips. Marl!
My bad.
Yo, I'm talking about you trying to pull the hair down. You got them clips I gave you. You gotta put them clips on and push the hair out the way, so it won't be in your way.
Yeah, that's much better.
I'm used to it. Can you imagine? That bit hot.
Alright.
You gotta do the earpiece. You did it already? Okay. Oh, you put it on uneven. You see that side?
Wait, so is it covering the ears? Yeah, it is. 1, 2.
No, don't snatch it off.
Want to take it off?
Hold on, cause you're not gonna pull my edges off. Girl, you don't put a part in it? Or is
No.
that's the part I left in it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. You gotta make it even. Okay, now it's even. Spray it like, you could just spray through the lace. And then blow dry it and take your comb and make it go like that.
Alright. Like this?
And just dab it in again. Do you want to keep this side part?
Yeah, we can.
Ooh, that's hot! Money fight these storm pin. JT, I ain't playing. Look, I don't want your man. These on paper. No, stop with it. Circulate. I should have had a wig count.
Exactly, that's what I learned.
What you finna do with that?
Do it. It's just.
No, do it with the moves. That's gonna make it too stiff. You gotta make sure you hear that big ass dog? Wait, let's turn this way. So the light. Here, right there. Oh, it's not laying with the move? It's not doing it right? It need to be washed. The edges is probably got a lot of product on. Even though that brush hard, it low key feels good. You not gonna do this one?
I am.
The one on the forehead?
I'm doing this side first.
Okay. Oh yeah, cause the part.
I'm used to a wig cap.
Nigga, what? You know how to put on a wig cap?
Yeah.
You talking like, cause I be cutting it and all that.
I know.
Girl would have scared the mess out of me. You would cut that thing off.
It's easy. It's just like using a razor.
I use scissors to cut my cap off.
Razors is easier.
Ma, you can't cut a wig cap with razors?
Yes, you can. That's what they do.
No, they don't.
So what they do?
You cut lace off with the razor. The lace off your wig. But that wig cap, when they put it on and then they spray it and it gets stuck there, you gotta cut it off. Cause it's a cap. That be cold. Really?
What?
You trying to tap that in? You didn't even put product right there. What you finna use with that?
Nothing.
You using the got to be gel.
I am.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm using the wrong one.
Whatever, bro. You finna have them edges crusty.
I mean, you gotta wash the wig anyway.
It take a lot of time to put wigs on, don't it?
No.
Yes, it do. You just rush through it. You didn't even lay the whole lace down. You just lay down the ear part, then gonna jump into laying that baby here. I'm done. Y'all, I don't know why she want to do this and she don't even feel like doing the whole thing.
Yes, I do. You're not giving me time to finish.
I'm just chilling. You doing rushing.
I'm not rushing.
Everybody use the clip to.
You gonna post this video?
What, you think I shouldn't? It depends on how it come out. Oh my god. Now, if you would have took your time and really laid these baby hairs. Dang, I wish Josh was up so he could rate it. Oh, I need to go take his phone off the charger. What time is it?
It's 10:31.
Okay, let me go take his phone charger real quick. Switch it.
It depends. Do you want to get a teacup or chihuahua or what?
You like them little small dogs?
Yeah, it's straight. It's like, can I get a cat?
I think Pam would like a cat, honestly, because you know that show she be watching?
Yeah.
She love that show because she like cats, but I'm scared of cats.
Cats not gonna do anything to you. They just train. They do stuff on their own.
You like oh, you do like cats?
Yeah, because
You do like cats.
Yeah, because they don't bother you.
When they be purring, it scare me though.
When they purr, that's not.
It sound like they about to attack.
That's not. When they finna attack.
Why you got your coochie on my arm? You can see my
You
legs?
just need some makeup on that bed.
Y'all, she done messed me up, y'all.
It actually look good. Hold on. No, like,
You finna take a picture?
no.
That's your business. You can take a picture. You just cover my face with emoji. Mari, don't post that, bro. You should get mom reaction. She probably asleep though.
Right.
A what? It's wet up there?
Huh?
It's wet up there?
What?
It's wet up there?
No, it's not wet. I'm just brushing it. I mean, look at it just cause. So y'all, actually, her wig doesn't look that bad as she expected.